Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Rupanjali. I'm from Hyderabad. I did my UG from Kakatiya Medical College, Warangal, Telangana. First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. It has been about 5 to 6 years since I have taken a mic and spoken on stage. So it's as good as the first time for me today. So if I fumble in between or if I'm at loss of words in between, please don't mind. Please be kind. So it was Republic Day yesterday, right? It was also my dad's 60th birthday. And I actually wanted to speak yesterday, but because of our buffer day, I had to postpone my speech for today. So my dad is a very simple man. And, when I entered Vidya Jeevan initially, I was not expecting what an experience I would have here. So मैंने सोचा क्लास होगा, नॉर्मली पढ़ाई होगी, टेस्ट लिखेंगे, बट इट इज मच मोर देन दैट. I walk into Vidya Jeevan every single day and I learn something new, not just academic. I learned that हमारे ड्रीम्स जैसे सर बोलते हैं should always be higher, because when you aim for that trajectory higher, you will hit the bullseye. So Vidya Jeevan teaches me every day to aim higher and desire much more than just limiting my belief systems to being कि मैं इतना ही कर सकती हूँ. So I learned that. But the best experience I have gotten here had to be Tuli sir's birthday. 92 years. Sir didn't look like he has aged a day beyond 70, to be frank. And the way he told about the 4 limbs of health is something that my dad also follows. So I am telling 60 years old, but he's actually 60 years too young. He doesn't look like he's aged a day beyond 40 or 45. And I would pray that someday my dad lives up to be 100 years old. He'll still look like he's 60, maybe. I will look much older than him, but he will still be that very energetic person that he is. And yeah, I share everything with my dad. He's my journal. He's like my de-stressor, everything. So उनका ना भगवान के साथ बहुत ही weird नहीं बोल सकते हैं, but he has an interesting relation with God. How do we pray to God usually? Like, we pray for longevity, we pray for health, we pray for success, right? My dad's way of praying for longevity is a little off the charts. Every year for the past 60 years, like since his birth, I would say, he's been looking at the Republic Day parade every single year. As a child, he listened to it on the radio, and as he grew older, he would watch it on the TV, and he maybe there are a handful of years that he has missed. So every year he watches the Republic Day parade, and what he does is साल का देख लिया, अगले साल का देखूंगा. So I have watched it this year, and he manifests health and healthy circumstances to watch the Republic Day parade next year. So that is his way of praying to God कि मुझे लंबी उम्र दो, and I get to see this parade every year. On a very similar spiritual note, he introduced me to Bhakti, fusion Bhakti music about 10 years ago. Since my 10th standard, I've been listening to Sanskrit music, hymns and mantras, which have been sung like songs. There's this artist called Uma Mohan. Some of you might know her. So I'm going to sing Medha Suktam, which is an invocation to all the entities in the universe that provides us with wisdom and intellect today for you. So I asked my dad, do you think society will accept me if I sing something in Sanskrit? And he's like, they don't have to, तुम अपना गाओ, उनको क्या फर्क पड़ता है तुमको एक्सेप्ट करे या ना करे. They won't pelt stones at you, no. That is not allowed in Vidya Jeevan, I hope. The max they'll do is probably walk away. But I'm pretty sure your doctors are too kind and too open-minded to other languages too. So don't worry. And he said something like, you deserve to go ahead. And Vidya Jeevan is a place that deserves to be heard. Like, it deserves to hear this song. And also, sir, जो भी आप बोलते हो ना सर, to us every single day, I tell that to my dad. And I think if I'm not wrong with the equations, आपने बोला था sir, 10% get selected, 3% get the branch of their choice, 1% get the branch and college of their choice. And sir had asked us to ask our parents, where do we stand? Instantaneous answer, 1%, of course. You will get the branch of your choice, college of your choice. No second thought also. Like, నీకు రాకపోతే ఎవరికి వస్తుంది? You know, if you don't get it, who else will get it? So that is the belief system that my dad has in me. So without wasting any more time, I will read out the summary of the stotram or mantra suktam. If you want the word to word meaning, you can get it on this website called Medium. Word to word बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, तो I summarized it a little bit. So the meaning is, Medha Suktam is a hymn from ancient Indian scriptures, specifically the Rig Veda. It's dedicated to the concept of intelligence and wisdom, symbolized by the term Medha. This short hymn is recited as a form of devotion and prayer, seeking blessings for clarity of thought, creativity, and success in intellectual endeavors. It signifies an original will to reach one's ultimate destiny. In essence, Medha Suktam relates to the worship of knowledge, visualized as a goddess, and has been commonly chanted as a prayer to goddess of learning, Saraswati. May the majestic, all-encompassing entity, who is the essence of all chants and the source of immortality, bestow upon me intellect. May the upholder of divine nectar strengthen my body. May my tongue articulate sweetly, my ears perceive abundantly, and safeguard my learning. It's a prayer invoking the goddess Medha, seeking her presence, blessings, and the ability to articulate profound thoughts and words. By you, O goddess of wisdom, one becomes a sage, the creator. Brahma gains power and glory, and by you, wealth and prosperity are attained. Therefore, O Medha Devi, bless us with prosperity and intelligence. May Lord Indra, Goddess Saraswati, and the Ashwini Kumaras bestow upon me intelligence. Ashwini Kumaras are the twin Vedic gods often depicted as divine physicians. This verse is a heartfelt invocation to Saraswati, acknowledges her role as the bestower of knowledge and wisdom, and it expresses a sincere desire for her grace and guidance for intellect, vitality, and inspiration. May the brilliance of Agni grant me vigor. May the power of Indra grant me strength. May the radiance of the sun grant me splendor. This mantra is a prayer for spiritual illumination and guidance, invoking the qualities of the Supreme to lead the practitioner towards higher understanding and enlightenment. So that is the brief meaning of it. Now I will sing. A small exercise if you guys are interested. The word Medha or Medhe repeats multiple times, ma'am, in this song. So if you can try and count, maybe you will be more focused towards the song. I will give the cue and I'll also try to stress on the words. But just enjoy the song. If not, just be seated. Please don't walk away. Yeah. ॐ यश्चन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽभ्योऽद्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्याम्बूरि विश्रुवं ब्रह्मण कोशोऽसि मेधयातिहितः श्रुतं ने गोपाय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ मेधादेवी ऋषमानान आगाः विश्वाची भद्रासु मनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना धुरुक्तान् बृहर्वदेम विधते सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टा ऋषर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मागतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्तं विन्दते वसुसानो जुष स्वद्रविणो न मेधे मेधां न इन्द्रो दधातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधाम्ने अश्विनावुभावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजात् अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवी ईं मेधा सरस्वती सामा मेधा सुरभिर्जुजताग स्वाहा आमा मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्ण जगते जगम्याम् ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामा मेधा सुप्रतीकाजुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजा मयि सूर्यो ब्राजो दधातु ॐ हंस हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात् हंस हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात् हंस हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for this opportunity.